Hey students, today I want to give you a little bit more of the information to the structuring our research exercise. And the basic idea of that exercise will be basically to give you more or less a possibility to re-reflect on the way that you've gone with your research project, to visualize that somehow, and to um, find once again a new possibility to look for missing gaps, steps, questions, issues that you have not been aware of. As you might know, writing a good research project is something that takes time, and although at the very beginning we are quite sure about what we want to do and how we want to do it, there are always little changes that actually come along while it's writing and doing your research and your research project as well. I mean, just thinking back on my doctoral thesis, um, there was actually a huge difference between what I actually planned to do at the very beginning and what I finished to do at the very end. So transformations that took place by rethinking, readapting, readjusting questions, hypotheses, interests, claims, and so on and so on. So, coming to the task that you have to do for this exercise is to actually try to find some kind of visual tool that helps you to re-understand or relearn what you've actually done during the last month. So drawing a map of your question from the interest to the topic, then to the question, will help you to rethink what kind of steps that you took, kind of the history of your research project, where you actually, or how you actually get to the point where you are at the moment. And taking into account all the decisions that you've taken and that are related to the decisions that you've taken during this process will also help you to understand in how far only little changes within the research question apply huge changes in the way you, or might apply at least, huge changes in the way you need to work with methods, methodology, with probably units of analysis, sample, and so on and so on. So please think about that and try to create this kind of visual tools, this kind of maps, if you want to say so. And I want you then to hand in the maps, to send them to me as a PDF file, and to write a brief essay in which you explain more or less what you've done with this visual tool. I'm well aware that there might be differences in the way you will understand and interpret the task, and that's totally fine. So the most important thing is that the exercise serves you, not that it serves me, evidently. So yeah, looking forward to seeing your stuff, and see you later.